So chain oiler has two major advantages. First of all, it extends the life of the chain quite a bit, and secondly, it really decreases the amount of maintenance that has to be performed. The chain oiler has three main components. The reservoir right here that you can adjust the flow, and then there's a line. Essentially just travels down to the swing arm. Where it's attached, and then there's a fork right here that has two prongs, you can see, on one side of the sprocket and the other. That's in contact with both sides of the sprocket, and as the oil flows, once the reservoir at the top is opened, it's going to get onto the sprocket and then be centrifuged out to the chain. As you can see, this chain has about 5,000 miles on it. It's in really great shape. Essentially requires no maintenance. Once in a while, you just want to wipe it off. There's an adjuster right here with a couple of nuts and a threaded rod that you can use to ensure that the prongs of the fork both of the prongs are in contact with the sprocket. The prongs have some resiliency to them, but there's a space, a gap between them, so you need to ensure that the sprocket and the fork are on essentially in the same plane.